Pass me the salt.
Here you go.
Do you like today's curry?
It smells great.
Taste it and tell me.
It's perfect.
Let's make some rice.
Is the water boiling?
Yes, put the rice in.
Done.
I'll prepare chapatis. I'll roll them. That's nice of you.
Teamwork is fun.
Lunch is almost ready.
Let's set the table.
How was your day?
It was good.
Shall we have tea?
Yes, I'll make it.
Do you need help?
No, I can do it.
Add some ginger.
Sure, it will taste better.
Let's sit on the balcony.
The weather is nice.
Look at the sunset.
It's beautiful.
Do you want snacks?
Yes, something crunchy.
I'll fry some pakoras.
Great idea.
Call your dad for tea.
Dad, tea is ready.
Let's enjoy our evening.
Perfect family time.